Azerbaijan is turning into a regional platform for discussing global issues and projects, in particular in the oil and gas sector. On February 20th this year, the fifth meeting of the Southern Gas Corridor Advisory Council will be held in Baku. The SGC project is very important from the point of view of diversification of supplies to Europe and provides for the transportation of 10 billion cubic meters of Azerbaijani gas through Georgia and Turkey to European markets. It's being successfully implemented, and most of the work has been done. The launch ceremony for the first stage of the project was held on May 29th last year in Baku, and on June 12th the TANAP pipeline was commissioned in the Turkish province of Eskisehir. Recently, the TAP and TANAP gas pipelines were physically connected at the Turkish-Greek border. Thus, already in 2020, Azerbaijani gas will enter the European market. It should be noted that the participation of representatives of the European Commission, international organizations, as well as the countries and the company involved in the implementation of the Southern Gas Corridor project is not excluded at the annual meeting of the Southern Gas Corridor Advisory Council.
Будет рассмотрен вопрос реализации всего этого глобального.
The issue of the implementation of this global project will be considered. It has a significant impact on the energy security system throughout Europe. Therefore, great attention is being paid to the project on the part of Azerbaijan and naturally SOCAR, and also on the part of its European partners.
Азербайджан, СОКАР, но и со стороны европейских партнеров.
In addition, a meeting of the OPEC Ministerial Monitoring Committee will be held on March 17 to 18, 2019 in the capital of Azerbaijan. This was stated earlier by OPEC Secretary General Mohammed Barkindo. He noted that at the meeting, the terms of the OPEC Plus deal to reduce production by 1.2 million barrels per day can be updated. According to Togril Bagirov, this meeting will be held against the backdrop of the obvious volatility of the world economy, and the development of the black gold market in the next 6 to 9 months will be discussed in Baku. Based on the current situation on the world oil market, the expert predicts that the cost of black gold this year will vary from $50 to $60 per barrel.
Замедлился экономический рост, вчерашние показатели Китая.
The economic growth declined. China's economic figures show a decline. Most likely in China this year GDP will grow by no more than 6%, and this is a significant decrease. Uncertainty in Europe related to Brexit and trade wars. Therefore, most likely this meeting of OPEC Plus in Baku will sum up the results and outline plans for the future.
Она подведет итоги и примерно наметит план на будущее.
Note that the OPEC Plus countries at a meeting on December 7th in Vienna decided to reduce production by 1.2 million barrels per day. It will be valid for 6 months. However, given the rapidly changing external factors, it was decided to evaluate the terms of the transaction at an extraordinary meeting in April. Azerbaijan has pledged to reduce daily production by about 20,000 barrels.